In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add two contact numbers to your Gmail account. Having more than one phone number linked to your Google account can greatly improve security and make account recovery much easier. Start by opening Gmail and clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the dropdown, select Manage your Google account to access your account settings. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand side and click on Personal Info. This section displays your basic details, including any phone numbers already attached to your account. Scroll down until you find the phone category and click it. Here, you'll see an option labeled Add Now. Click this to begin adding a new number. You may be asked to verify your identity for security reasons, so follow any on-screen prompts. After that, enter the complete phone number you want to add and click Next. Google will send a verification code to that number. When you receive it, enter the code and confirm. If you would like to add a second number, simply repeat these steps again. Click Add Now, enter the number, and verify it with the text code Google sends. Once confirmed, both numbers will be linked to your Gmail, giving you more flexibility and better recovery options if you ever get locked out. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added two phone numbers to your Gmail account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.